Welcome to the first lecture of this class. In this session, we'll begin by creating the spectrum sphere. Start by pressing the L key to select the ellipse tool. While holding Shift and Alt, drag the cursor from the center of the artboard to create a circle. Use the arrow keys to align it perfectly in the center. Increase the stroke thickness so it's clearly visible. We only need a stroke color for reference, as we will eventually remove this stroke later on. At this stage, ensure that the circle isn't filled with a solid color. Next, while pressing the N key, draw the shape as shown. It doesn't need to be perfect, as we will refine it shortly, but make sure that the path is closed. Once done, start refining the shape by redrawing over it while it remains selected. To smooth out the curvature, select the Smooth tool. I've assigned the S key as a shortcut for the Smooth tool, which I find convenient. If you'd like to do the same, go to Edit Keyboard Shortcuts. Type Smooth, set your shortcut key, and press OK. Now, use the Smooth tool to adjust the curves. The goal is to reduce the number of anchor points and create a better, more natural flow. Once you're satisfied with the shape, press the period key to add a gradient. We'll be using the freeform gradient, which lets you control points to adjust the gradient precisely. However, before diving into adding the gradient in the upcoming lectures, let's first set up the color palette and complete the rest of the shapes.